Well, right now, the race against the caucus clock in Nevada as most of the GOP candidates campaign across the state ahead of tomorrow's voting. Alicia Acuna is live in Las Vegas with more for us now. Alicia?
Hi, Jenny. Yes, under the caucus system here in Nevada, delegates are given out proportionally, so candidates are arriving here fighting to build on whatever momentum they bring. Now, take a look at the CNN ORC poll taken before the South Carolina primary. Trump has a commanding lead in Nevada, but getting people to actually turn out is a very real challenge here. Before heading here from Atlanta, Trump pressed supporters to show up.
We're just going one after another. Are we going to win Georgia? Yeah. We're going to. I see it. I feel it. I feel it. But it is crunch time. We have to go out and vote.
Senator Rubio is spending a big chunk of the day in the northern part of the state. A campaign official confirms to Fox he will be leaving Nevada tomorrow morning after an event in Las Vegas and be in Michigan by the time caucus results here are in. Last night he talked up memories of growing up in the state. Meantime, Ted Cruz told my colleague Mike Emanuel he does not believe his tough stance on illegal immigration makes it difficult to connect with the large Latino population here. Because, as Senator Cruz put it, Hispanics here legally don't want open borders.
As president, I will secure the borders. We will build a wall. We'll triple the border patrol. We will end sanctuary cities. We'll end welfare benefits for those here illegally. And we know how to do all this. What's missing is the political will.
Notably not in Nevada, Governor John Kasich, who is participating in a town hall at George Mason University in Fairfax, Virginia. Kasich instead is betting on Super Tuesday and other March contests to bring him into the infield, which could be a big gamble. Jenna?
Alicia, thank you.